The Compressibility Interactive Calculator determines the compressibility factor Z and related properties for real gases using various calculation modes. This calculator has 6 calculation modes in the drop-down menu. Calculate Z from P, V, N, T. Calculate pressure from Z, V, N, T. Calculate volume from Z, P, N, T. Calculate temperature from Z, P, V, N. Calculate moles from Z, P, V, T. And calculate Z from reduced properties. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Z from P, V, N, T. The input fields are pressure in bar, volume in cubic meters, moles in mole, and temperature in Kelvin. There are also fields for compressibility factor Z, reduced pressure PR, and reduced temperature TR, which become inputs or outputs depending on your selected calculation mode. Let's enter our values. Pressure is 50 bar, volume is 0.5 cubic meters, moles is 100 moles, and temperature is 300 Kelvin. After clicking Calculate, the results appear below. The primary result shows your calculated compressibility factor, Z. The deviation field indicates how much the real gas behavior differs from ideal gas behavior. The status field confirms whether your calculation completed successfully. This tool is essential for accurate thermodynamic calculations with real gases. Find the link in the description below.